Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. April 5th. Pretty wild, man. Time's just moving. Be impeccable with your word. Replace fear with love. The human mind is like a fertile ground where seeds are continually being planted. When you're impeccable with your word, your mind is no longer a fertile ground for the words that come from fear. Your mind is only fertile for the words that come from love. Either live in love or live in fear, folks. Get rid of the fear. Does nothing for you. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 352, NASDAQ up 213, S&P's up 53, gold contract flat, $17.27 an ounce. You got silver down 20 cents, $24.74 an ounce. Light sweet crude down 272, trading 58.73. Light sweet crudes, folks, going after its high volume swing lows there. Looks like light sweet crude wants to run down to the 52 area. Pretty amazing, actually, that you got light sweet crude bouncing around today. Of course, down 273, but we've had it up 273 last week. When you're talking about an energy source that we all use every day, moving this much, bottom line, very unusual. But guess what? Lower prices coming at you. Notes and bonds. We get the 10-year right now, 5 ticks, trading 130.103. The 30-year down 3 at 155.19. Now, both the note and bond market, folks, a jobs number came out Friday. It was a good jobs number. Both note and bond market went down to the lows, didn't break their lows. Bottom line out here this morning, you're getting a rejection of lower price. Once again, they both want higher price, lower yield. Is that deviant? Yes, it's deviant in a big way. We have the 10-year right now trading at 1.71 as the yield. And good old King Dollar. King Dollar's down to 419 ticks, trading 92.601. This is the first time that we get any type of price spread on the way down after King Dollar has made quite a run. There's no doubt about it. The euro's trading at 118. The yen is out here at 110.22. And the British pound is at 139 to 1 U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. I want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. Bottom line, folks, you got ABC structures everywhere. So, first one, we look at the SPY. The SPY right now hit a high today of 406.94. You get a price projection of the ABC structure on the way up. It took out the B point, took it out Thursday when we were still on the air. With volume, you get a price projection out there of 410. Right now, you're 406. NDX 100, which had been the most deviant one, no doubt. You got to learn a lot about complex ABC structures on the Qs. Bottom line, you're going to get that price projection out here. Right now, the price projection of the Qs was 333. You hit 331.84 thus far. Bottom line, the high's a game now. Now we're talking about the 338. You know, you get this far up, folks, guess what? The bottom line, you're going after these highs. Small caps. We go take a look at the small caps out here. The IWM. IWM having a little struggle. That being said, though, guess what? With the rest of the indices at highs, this is going to go after its high also. Gold contract out here. We get a flat market. GC. 1 second. GC. There we go. A gold contract traded down to 17.21 today. You're at 17.27. Got some decent juice on Friday when we weren't here. Bottom line, gold's first off going after the swing point of 17.56. That's your next move. 17.56 is the next move where this is going to go after. My take here, we're going to get inside the higher trading range. At 17.74, folks, that brings you inside the higher trading range. That's where I suspect we're going to be going. If we take a look at the XAU, the HUI, they definitely had got some nice juice behind them. They broke their downtrend last week. They broke it with a wide price spread, accelerated volume. XAU right now is trading 140. That wants to go up to the 156. We take a look at the gold contract. I mean, the HUI, the Gold Bugs Index, that is trading 276. That is looking to go to 325. Big numbers out here. and good old King Dollar. We take a look at King Dollar. What you have with King Dollar out here is that King Dollar running into major resistance. If I put this up, I'm going to put this up on a weekly basis for you so you can kind of see, you know, and what does happen is this. The first time that you get up into a major resistance like this, folks, you can't expect that you're going to blow right through it. So it doesn't mean that, you know, King Dollar is going to stop here, meaning from going up. This is the first time you are hitting some major resistance, though. There's no two ways about that. When I talk about major resistance, too, if you happen to be watching Tiger TV, what you're seeing is that, you know, we were trading here for 3 months sideways. So you trade for 3 months sideways. Whoever is selling at that particular point, guess what? You come back up, they're selling at this point here, and we'll see what kind of follow-through we have on the way back down. That's kind of how this whole baby does shake out. We take a look at some of the higher volume. Well, actually, let's go right to the aspect of where we are in the marketplace. You get another monster ABC structure on the way up. Google's doing it. Google's up $80 right now. You're like $24.50 or something. I'll get you the exact number, but you're talking about a monster number out here in Google. Blowing away the B point, has the volume behind the move. 1.7 million, you only needed 1.1 million. Facebook, another one, same type of setup. Blowing away its B point. This is on Facebook. I think we're going to have a weekly, too. So let's see what we got here. So we're going to need 182. It's going to be a lot. It's going to be a lot of volume. Well, we just started the week. We'll see where that shakes out. But if Facebook is going to be an ABC structure up, you know, we'll see what type of follow through we get this week. But it's a monster. These breakouts after a long consolidation, these are big numbers. Let's go over to the King, Amazon, which has been in a long time consolidation. It's getting a little juice out here today. Looks like it's going to run to the higher end of its consolidation. Right now, you're at 32.24, or 34.34 would be the number. Let's just bring this up. And, you know, since we are in the probability business, let me tell you something. When you see Google doing an ABC up, Facebook's probably going to do it. Guess what? Amazon's going to be the next one. If Amazon's an ABC up, man, it is a monster. Because the top of this level is 3,500. The B point, my God, it's like a 1,900 A to B. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.